I'm Andrew.
I'm Dennis.
We're the Crafty Lumberjacks. We're back with 5 more projects using the MakerX from Worx Tools.
Yes, it's a portable battery-operated system that comes with 5 different attachments. They have a heat gun, a wood-burning tool, an angle grinder,
a rotary tool, and our favorite, the airbrush.
Yes, check these projects out.
Here's an oldie but a goodie, melting down small pieces of crayons in glass ornaments.
So you want to take old crayons that you have, cut them down to size, pop them in your ornament, and then use your heat gun to heat them up. We think using a glove is a good idea because it does get a little bit hot.
Yes, we also found that using less colors is better than using a lot of colors. You'll get a cleaner look.
Yeah, it won't get so muddy.
Yes, it's an awesome transformation and it looks super cool.
I was really surprised how vibrant they were. I was shocked.
Yes, you know, and you can take it to the next level. Add a vinyl or a sticker on this.
I like that. This is a great holiday hack using the airbrush. You know we love our airbrush. Now you can find these wreaths basically anywhere, but they look a little cheap.
You can give your wreath a little glow up with the airbrush. We like to test it always on a scrap piece of paper.
Yeah, and then just start spraying your branches. You'll see it's really a light coating, and then we like to start spraying our embellishments.
Yeah, this gives it a whole new dimension and a different look. It actually helps make it look more expensive, more fancy.
Yeah, totally.
Yes, and you can do this for anything, on even on real greenery.
Oh my gosh, that would look so cute. That's what we're doing next
Or you can even do this on your windows, probably.
Oh my gosh,
yes, for that winter snowy effect.
I love it.
Frosty the Snowman. Wow, that was really high.
Sorry.
Every year we make a snowman. This year we want to make one out of wood rounds.
First we gave him a frosty coating with our airbrush again.
Yes, just to give him that light mist of snow.
Oh yeah.
And then we started making the face using a pencil, and then we used our wood burning tool to actually wood burn into the wood slices for his face.
Oh yeah, that gave it a nice organic woodland feel to it. I really love that.
Our main tip when working with the wood burning tool is to turn the wood slice rather than trying to turn and manipulate your hand. It will be much easier.
Then we used a rotary tool, a dowel, and some hot glue to build Frosty together. The dowel and the hot glue just reinforce him a little bit more.
And then it was time to add the finishing touches. We painted his carrot nose with some watercolor. And then we dressed him using some felt and a piece of scrap fabric that we had.
Yes, because you know Frosty can get cold out there.
Yes, he's out there for a long time. And we just kind of manipulated the shape around the top of his head till we found something that looked cute, like a little beanie.
Yeah, and it's all about those finishing touches to complete a project, so go all out when you're doing it.
Yes, it looks so cute.
Thumpity thump thump thumpity thump thump, look at Frosty go. Okay, this was news to us. We did not know you could use a heat gun to shrink down Shrinky Dink paper.
We actually bought a whole toaster oven for a Shrinky Dink project. Little did we know we could just use our heat gun. So we used some rough and ready Shrinky Dink paper, drew on our image with a Sharpie, cut it out to size, put it in a little box just so it didn't fly away, and then started heating it up. It melted pretty quickly, it curls and manipulates, but don't worry, it will lay flat eventually.
Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. So we made about 10 of these and then glued them onto LED lights. They look really, really cute.
So cute. This project was just for fun. We wanted to try to make our own wrapping paper using a wooden snowflake and our airbrush. We used the wooden snowflake as a stencil.
And then just airbrushed around it really, really lightly, just over and over until you started to get a nice silvery frosty look. Ooh, it looks really nice.
What's great about this is you can cater it to your own style or your own aesthetic. Brown paper package is tied up with strings.
We've been having so much fun using the tools and getting familiar with them.
If you like these crafts, check out our other video with 5 other holiday DIYs.
Yes, and we'd love to hear from you in a comment below which of these 5 projects was your favorite, and we'll see you soon.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
It's that special time of year of lights and tree decor. The crafty lumberjacks have DIYs galore. Add tchotchkes all around to brighten up your space. Their fab ideas and hacks will marry up the place. Oh, happy, happy holidays from Dennis and Andrew. These New York chaps have the crafty chops to make the season pop. Get your glue gun, grab some snacks, pull out your Cricut too. The crafty lumberjacks are here to spend some time with you.
Happy holidays!